you a rubber band or something?
Well, on there, I can get one.
Sure. Well, might as well have her hair up when I'm doing this. Here goes. Oh boy. Off with her head. This is gonna be a you kind of job. What?
DIY, DIY?
Uh-huh. No, let me try it. You might need to help though. This is what? That's pretty solid. How am I gonna? Huh?
I like the cut. The female sits off.
So, excuse me?
He goes, oh, did I not mess with that when we got married?
No.
Here, let me do it.
Okay, but it needs to be like that angle, I guess. I need
Are
her.
you trying to cut her hair too?
I don't need her hair.
Okay, well then let's do that first, because that'll.
Give her a haircut.
Because then it'll be less
Oh.
intrusive. Get me a pair of scissors.
Do you have scissors? Wait, no, no.
Yeah, I have experience with cutting female hair.
You do.
There's a story you can ask my sister about.
She already said that you did. Oh my God, give me this.
Tell me when you're done that.
Oh, I can't believe I'm making her bald. Such a shame. This is like hard. Meaning like the scissors, well the scissors are really not meant to cut hair. I think it's still hard. She has a hard head. It's made really well, I guess. Like really hard plastic.
It's not gonna go.
So all I want is like this part taken off.
Now make sure you put it on this video and then all actual humans were hurt.
Okay, yes. My mom's like 911. She's getting a serious migraine. This is feeling very Hannibal Lecter-like.
What's it smell like?
Hannibal Lecter. It's like off with her head. Oh my. Oh man, that is a headache. Off with her head. Oh no. Okay. She's bald. She's bald. I have to de-eyelash her? I don't think I can. Oh boy. I guess she's keeping her eyelashes. It looks like I'm bleaching her hair, only not, because she's already blonde. You know you're not getting this paintbrush back, right? I don't think it'll survive this. It's like really thick icing, just not going on too well. I mean, it would have been easier to paint her, I think. I think I should do it in layers, like, you know, let her dry a bit. Jeez. is really cakey. What you doing, Bo?
Day 2. One eternity later.
Take 2. Oh, sorry. Take 2. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.